technique of microscopical characteristics of crude drug, following steps are involved. First one is preparation of sample for sectioning. In that, first step is boiling of the sample. So have a look on boiling on a sample. Here we have taken ipecac root for the boiling. Second step is section cutting. Take a root of ipecac from the beaker and put it into watch glass. Now start section cutting. In section cutting, transverse section is obtained by cutting along the radial plane of cylindrical portion of the stem, root or stolon and perpendicular to the long axis. Now take a transverse section by taking a drug in your first finger and second finger and start the section cutting. Now take a TS by using brush in a second watch glass which containing water. Staining reagent required for this practical is fluoroglycerol and concentrated HCl. Requirement for this practical is watch glass, slide, cover slip, brush, razor blade, forceps and required crude drug for taking TS. Take a 1 drop of fluoroglycerol in a watch glass. Now take concentrated HCl one drop in a same watch glass which already containing fluoroglycerol. Mix it well with brush. Now wait for a staining for 1 to 2 minutes with your TS. Now see, there will be color change in a TS. Now take that same TS on a watch glass with the help of brush. Now take a TS on a slide, that is glass slide, with the help of brush. When you will take the TS on slide, wait for 2 to 3 minutes for proper staining. Now put a cover slip over the TS and avoid air bubbling inside it. Now take this slide to observe TS under microscope, that is compound microscope, and set well microscope adjustment for proper viewing of TS. Now next step is observation. Now select a place in the laboratory for microscope. Keep that microscope Now C for light adjustment. Set the microscope in a such way that C arm to U and objective and mirror facing the light. Facing the light. Now next step is open the diaphragm. Open the diaphragm. Completely with the help of substage mirror. Adjust the position so that field of view is sufficiently illuminated. Now place the slide on the stage of the microscope at the center. With the section placed exactly in line with the stage window lying above the condenser. Fix the slide between the clip. Now the slide can move forward and backward or sideways above the stage with the help of two screws provided on mechanical stage. And take observation. Try to move microscope screw for observation. नाही ऑन नाही करायचं आपल्याला हा जो टीएस आहे हा टीएस समोर इपीटेक नाही आला पाहिजे शब्द खालचा ते बरोबर टीएस of given crude drug is observed like this.